Hi, my name is Antonio and welcome to Canadian Appliance Source. Today we have a 1-minute info video for you. Hello everyone, today we're looking at the LG steamer in espresso colorway, model number S3RFBN. Honestly, this is a really unique invention from LG. You know, let's say you don't have time to go to the laundromat all the time and you're someone like me that likes to wear a suit jacket to work often. Well, the awesome thing about this is you can steam your clothes from home. So you have 2 coat hangers in which you could put your suit jackets. You have a little rack if, you know, let's say you have a kid and you want to put their fluffy toy or something else there to get it clean. You also have a pants crease system. So if we actually push this, you can put your pants and it's going to actually iron them for you. And then all you would do is at the bottom over here, there is a water tank to fill up and a drain tank for any of the water that's been used. Pretty simple device, a regular plug-in. Once again, I love this feature and I love this machine itself. It's very inventive with the really clean touchscreen on the outside of it. And then LG backs it up with a 10-year warranty on their compressor, right, for the parts. So this is the new LG steamer. Thanks for watching the video. My name is Antonio and I work at the Toronto store. You could call me at extension 425. But first, make sure to subscribe down below and watch many other great information videos from my other associates here at Canadian Appliance Source. Thank you.